Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will go through the process of replacing the charging port on a Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop. This task requires some technical knowledge and the right tools, so let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage to the internal components. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. Before we begin, ensure that the laptop is powered off and unplugged. If your device has a removable battery, take it out. This is crucial for safety. Now, let's remove the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components. Locate the charging port, which is usually attached to the motherboard. Be sure to check for any dust or debris around the area. Cleaning it can help with the overall performance of the laptop. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is an important step to ensure safety while working on the device. After that, locate the screws securing the charging port. You may need to remove a few other components to access it fully. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the charging port away from the motherboard. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any additional screws or connectors that might still be attached. Now, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it into place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. After installing the new charging port, reconnect the battery and other components you had to remove. Make sure everything is properly seated and secure. Before closing the back cover, it's a good idea to test the new charging port. Plug in the charger and see if it lights up. If you're not comfortable performing this test or lack the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation and a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. If everything is functioning properly, proceed to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the back cover. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the charging port on your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop. If you encountered any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We're here to help you with any repairs you might need, all from the comfort of your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.